right, so folks, in the fun stop this morning, we'll get a song title along with the name of the artist who sang the song. Our goal is to tell the other host what the song title is without speaking, while he tries to guess what it is.
Oh, it's charades.
It is Reggae Charades, but I'm wondering why I have this.
What it say?
Because if me and you have the same thing, then you know...
No problems.
You know what it is.
So it's a mission, not a competition. Let's just go.
Oh, you have different things. All right.
Hold on, let me see the first one you have.
No. All right, so I will go first. Go over there, sir, please.
Mm-hmm. Out of frame?
All the way. Yeah.
All the way?
And face me.
Oh, okay.
So I can't speak at all.
You have to act it out.
All right.
Mm-hmm. 3 little birds? Mm-hmm. 3. Sunrise. 3 skies.
Hold on. Stop. So first we're going with the name of the group and then the name of the song.
Oh, okay.
No, so? Yeah.
All right.
So let's go again.
3. Which artist named 3?
Is the name of the group.
I3s. Third world?
If my no.
Third world?
The world.
The world. Oh, but, this is the world. Oh.
Yeah, but hold on now. So why you give him? Am I not supposed to try and make him find out the name of the song too? But we just put up the name of the song there. All right, next one. Your time now.
All right. Well, I can describe the name of the group with this one, but I'm going to act out the title. All right?
Don't turn your back. Don't turn around.
Ding, 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 ding. That's right. Don't turn around. By Aswad.
My next one.
There you go. That's a track. Feel me crying.
Well,
just walk away.
I just got my good guy and couldn't get the world, but to get the turnaround. I'll cry when I get the world. All right, so, but it's hard to do it with this in my hand.
This is the title or the song? Or the artist?
Let me tell you, the artist first, then the song.
Oh, all right. Cocoa and a cocoa tea? I'm which that tea about? Mm-hmm. And it's not cocoa tea. But my clothes, right? No. All right. Which artist is that? Koffee?
Yes.
Okay.
What are you doing? Hold on. I'm going to give you the name of the song. So, what this?
Which coffee song have to do with food? Bread and butter? Toast. No.
You know, everybody inside there get it. Everybody inside there get it except him. Everybody ball out toast. Your time again.
Again, I can't give the arts. I can't accord the artist here. Like, I don't know. But, yeah, here we go.
Dreadlocks. Dreadlocks in love. Dreadlocks heart. Nothing.
Can I tell him if he's right with one part? Producer?
Well, when I say it, you can just point for me.
All right.
So dreadlocks, heart, love.
All right.
Love your hair. Love your natty. So what is this?
Yeah,
Natty love? Natty don't love.
All right, but in the interest of time, it's Rasta Love by Protoje.
Let me just say Rasta love. I said that.
No,
I said Natty love. I never said. Well, this one is impossible. This one is impossible. It's impossible. It's Damian gang with Welcome to Jamrock. How will I do that? What is it? Welcome to Jamrock.
Welcome to
So Clive goes up. Welcome to Jamrock. We don't know if we're going to get that one there. Your time again.
All right. It's the same thing here with this one. Again, the artist,
Why you that?
can't act out the artist here. But maybe you'll be able to get this one.
Prayer in the sky. Prayer? Sky? Sky? Moon? Cloud? Moon? Prayer, moon. Moon prayer. Prayer, moon.
Praise Jah in the moonlight. Why Jamaican Marley? Like, be careful. Oh, you act that out.
Pray.
How you act out that?
But Clive come, because Clive only that's so confused. Firstly, oh, you go welcome to Jamrock again. Welcome to Jamrock. All right, this one now you're supposed to get.
All right.
All right? Mm-hmm. Watch me now, youth.
Yeah. That look like a pot of bubble, like a stir a pot. Circle. Okay, in a circle. All right. Mm-hmm. All right, on a 96 degrees that. Sweat, girl, I wanna make you sweat. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right.
All right, here's again.
All right.
No, we're done. Next one is Toots Animators, pressure drop. Come here, Clive. Come. Toots Animators, pressure drop. Show me pressure drop.
Hold on, no. You know which one you want from my list? Pass the Dutchie.
Pressure drop.
Pressure drop. Pressure. Drop.
Well, it look like everything is done there. So welcome to Jamrock.
Right?
Pressure drop. Marcel Griffith's Dreamland and Mortimer Lightning. I think I could have get Lightning, because that does go so.
Yeah. Have Peter Tosh step in Razor as well. That would have been fairly. Yeah.
All right, folks, that's it for the fun stuff. By the way, how will Jamaica survive the trade wars instigated by the United States? That's an important discussion to have, and we will have it when we come back from this break. Stay with us, please.